Yes, Beth, the situation has died down since last night, where two suspicious objects were left inside this First Bank on West 10th Street. The two objects were thought to contain explosive material. Police have arrested two men in connection with yesterday's bomb scare during a routine traffic stop after making an illegal left turn. Authorities say the two men, Sam Jones, 25 of Greeley, and Brad Fredericks, 26 of Evans, matched the descriptions given to them by bank employees. The suspects are accused of leaving a suspicious box and duffel bag inside the bank after making threatening comments. The bank and surrounding area were evacuated after the men fled the scene. It took bomb techs close to 3 hours to determine the bomb threats were a hoax. The two men will appear in Weld County District Court tomorrow at 9 a.m. They face 3 charges, including 2 felonies. Reporting live from the parking lot at First Bank, I'm Kyle O'Neill, Channel 3 Action News.